If your affiliate earnings have flatlined, it's not due to your content. The real culprit is the tools you're not using. Your strategy has leaks quietly, costing you money every day, cash dripping away from broken links, missed international commissions, and out of stock product. But this isn't about grinding harder, it's about working a lot smarter. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 simple tools that will plug these hidden leaks and give you your affiliate income and immediate boost. Let's start with your international traffic. Imagine a reader from the UK clicks your Amazon.com link. Faced with foreign currency and high shipping costs, they become annoyed, leave, and buy from their local Amazon CO UK instead. Just like that, your commission is gone. The plug is for this leak is a link localization tool such as Genialink. It automatically detects the visitor's location and sends them to their local storefront. Travel Payout Affiliate Link Generator does a similar job. This simple fix transforms a frustrating experience into a seamless one. Now, to plug this link is a strategic one, creating content based on a hunch. You have to stop guessing and start using data. The plug for this is called SimilarWeb browser extension. With one click, SimilarWeb reveals a website's monthly traffic and the source of its visitors. Here's the magic. Is your competitor getting the most of the traffic from Google or Pinterest? If you're on Pinterest and not on the platform, you're just discovered a vast untapped audience. You're no longer guessing, you're seeing a proven path to success. Now, this leak is for those running paid ads. It's the data black hole. You know you made sales, but you have no idea which your ads or keywords are actually working and which are just burning your money. A notable alternative is Volume. Volume is a professional ad tracking platform that allows you to view every single click in real time. You can finally see with total clarity this Facebook ad made me say 500 in the profit, while this Google ad lost me 300. It eliminates the data black hole and stops you from wasting ad spending. Number 4 is missed opportunities. The fourth is a silent killer. Missed opportunities. You might stick to a big program like Amazon, but what if a product you mentioned has a better affiliate program you didn't even know exists? Every time you settle for a 4% commission when you could be earning 20%, you're leaking income. The plug is a brilliant extension called Affiliator. When you land on any website, an icon in your browser lights up. If that site has an affiliate program, it turns your everyday browsing into a discovery process, helping you find better programs and higher commission. The final leak is for everyone on YouTube. You spend hours on a video and hope someone finds it. No viewers means no clicks, and your affiliate links to plug this leak, you need vidIQ. When you search for a topic, vidIQ provides a keyword score indicating what people are actually searching for. When you watch any video, vidIQ reveals its tags and SEO score, providing you with a blueprint of what works. It eliminates the guesswork for YouTube and ensures right audience discovery of your videos. All right, now let's bring it all in. All right, your income hasn't stalled because you're lazy. It's because your strategy has leaks. However, you now have the tools to fix them. You're losing global sales, but Genialink can help you recover. You're guessing at content, but SimilarWeb gives you the roadmaps. You're wasting ad money on but volume trackers. Your profit. You're missing better commissions, but Affiliatizer will find them, and your videos are lost at sea, but vidIQ will get them seen. I've left links to all 5 of these in the description below. My challenge to you is simple: install at least one free today and start plugging in the leaks. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the most significant leak you've found in your own strategy? I want you to drop them in the comments below. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. This is Scott. Peace and progress.